guys. Let's talk about SEDACMA. SEDACMA Self-Defense. Cirilo Dalinong Coalition Martial Arts. Situated at Area 1, Sitio Ligo, Munuok, Parañaque City. Registered on our government November 20, 2005 under by the Department of Trade and Industry and affiliated at the World Organizer of Martial Arts USA. Our vision to share our knowledge in our military and law enforcers and other individuals in the country to serve as force multiplier. So we have a motto. Our motto, humility is the mark of SEDACMA. So meaning to say, kailangan natin na mababa ang kalooban. At ito ay ating gagamitin sa oras ng pangangailangan. Ito po ang SEDACMA. This is our knowledge, hand and foot fighting. So let's talk about hands. So in other hand, fist fighting. Then foot is kicking. So we have a technique for today. Our technique for today is, let's begin with a close fist. Then go down, then up, then hits. So it may be used for emergencies, counter attack, and unexpected scenarios in our lives. The real scenario, the real fighting. See? So for example, first move. So let us the first move, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yan po. So ngayon ang gagawin po natin, pagbaba, in other technique, go down the floor, touch the ground, and bigay. Bigay. So first, one kick first. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ha? Paano ginawa? 1, 2. So kinuha siya sa pamamagitan ng galaw muna by the number, hips, knee, kick, then balik. See? Then hips, knee, kick. So yun po. So ngayon kung kukunin mo siya sa automatic, ito. Ulit. Automatic. Automatic. Kaya po ang automatic. Okay? Gagawin po ulit natin. 1, push up. Then up. Up. Then 1, 2. 1, push up. Una, galaw. Okay, galaw. 1, 2, 3. So yun po. Tingin po dito. Galawin mo yung hips. Then, angat. Bigay. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Ganun po, ano? So ngayon, kung gagawin mo sa dalawa, ganito po. Ayan po, ano? So, ayan po, no? Ganun po. Okay? Sir, paano kung gusto mong kasamahan pa ng isa pang jump? Okay? Ayan, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ayan po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yan po mga exercise na pwede natin gamitin. Okay, push up, then up, then frontal kick, then isang jumping jack. Okay? Kapag hiningal ka, kung ikaw ay nag-practice sa isang bahay o sa opisina, kung saan ka man nagpa-practice, cool down ka lang. Okay, yung proper niyan ito. Yan o. So, yan po. Yan po ang proper niyan. Ngayon, siyempre, nahingal ka. Higop. Higop. And left port, right port. So, inhale, exhale. Kadaan na sa ilong, then buga sa bunganga. Okay? Ulit, pagka gusto mo pa uli, isa pa.